Going on, y'all? It's your guy Sig Paris. A few videos ago, I tried to cut some B-Flex Fatty, which is a thicker vinyl, with my Silhouette Cameo auto blade, and it was an epic fail. But I figured out how to dial those settings in so you can cut that thicker vinyl. And in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. I like to say shout out to Squad. Say How You Feel TV, your Digg Lifestyle, all things style, Mike T's, man. Y'all go check out my people. They got some good content over there, man. Like and comment, subscribe. If you haven't, to all of us, man. Squad, Sig Paris, 12 Gone Apparel, man. I'll see y'all in a second.
12 Gone Apparel, the dream in my eye. I'll be an example to.
Alright, so here we are in Silhouette Studio. This is the design I'm going to press on the t-shirt. Showed it to you in the beginning. Social media ruin the world. So before I forget, I'm going to flip that horizontally. Then I'm going to go to the Send tab. So here, I already had it set from cutting it, but so here typically this is where I cut, where this 4 is highlighted. But for this B-Flex Fatty and thicker vinyls, I set it here at a 9. My force is 20, and I cut it at a speed of 2 just because of the little stuff in the design. And you'll see that I don't get it all actually in the design. I lose a lot of it, but it works for me. So this is my personal t-shirt. When I'm doing it for somebody else, I will actually take the time and make sure all that's in there. But so I would put it here. I put it at that 9, and so when you got the thicker vinyl, just play around. And I'm using a auto blade, so just play around with this. I'm using a cardstock plane setting, but I use that on everything. Regular vinyl, whatever. I've learned how to adjust it to how I need it to be for me. So that's that. And then I actually would do a test cut, but yeah, so I would do a test cut, see how that worked out. You can hear it over there getting ready. So I did do a test cut. I'm not even gonna put that in the video, but it did work out. It did come. So once I got my test cut ready, I would send. Bam. Send it to my cutter. Super thick. So again, it's that B-Flex Fatty. It's light pressure. I got it set for about 305. It goes for 30 seconds. Light pressure. We're gonna see how this turn out. We seen that it could cut. That last video I did with it, it kicked my butt. So I had to make a comeback on cutting this, and it cut out pretty good. In the video, when I was weeding it was looking tough, but it was just stuck to the carrier sheet. It weeded actually pretty dang good. And then we just peel it hot. But it's something like that puff. So this is like raised up off of the shirt. I like that. I think I'm gonna be investing in more of this. Let's see if I can get it in there and show y'all. Try to show you. But it's raised. I don't know if you can see it or not. But it's raised off of the shirt. Social media ruined the world. It's really how I feel. Except for 12 Gone Apparel and my squad members. You know. But all the other stuff, it's ruined.
12 Gone Apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
Yeah, so this B-Flex Fatty vinyl was pretty dope. I like how it raises up off the shirt, gives that bevel and embossed look, 3D look, however you want to put it. But it's a pretty dope vinyl, man. If y'all digging it, holla at Joe at the vinyl stand. That's where I picked up mine from. I got affiliate links down in the description. Y'all hit that link, man. Help out the channel. Help out Joe at the vinyl stand, man. He just opened up not too long ago. He on his grind, man. We all on our grind. Squad, we all on our grind, man. Seek Paris, 12 Gone Apparel. I'll see y'all next time.